welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button down below and welcome to the family. So today I did a little setup, another setup again. So this setup is actually for now this time. So I did one for mom and now this is for now's Valentine's Day. So I bring out the pillows again. You know it's red and white. The tablecloth has to be red and white. And the dishes. And I love this cute little bottle right here. So you see this one right here, so chunky. And then you have this one right here. They're both the same, but they're just different styles. Same covers. And then we have my love sign as well. It's not turned on. My little right here, my love. It's not turned on either. And we have the heart-shaped Valentine's. And we have all the cakes and the cupcakes, and you can use so many different stuff. It's not cake or cupcake I want to put in it, but I love them. It's kind of like a high rise. The last one was very low. I use all the low stands now using the high stands. And yeah, and pretty much I have to do a little balloon decor. So this is my column. So this is what my Valentine's Day looks like for my daughter. Just a little treat, it's gonna be snacks pretty much. We don't have time to do a lot of stuff. So yeah. And the wind is super strong. The tablecloth is blown up and the orange is the column is on the face. But Valentine's Day setup that I did for my daughter. So we're going to snacks and then after that, pretty much that's what I did so far. You can comment down below what you think of my little setup. So I'll be back with the finishing touches. Okay guys, so this is the finished product and I'll say hi to everyone. She's here red and white as well. So this is the final setup guys. You don't want any more? Alright, so there's some marshmallows right here and there's some more marshmallows. And it's red and it's the same for this one right here. It's the same. Then we have the love light right here turned on. And we have the little chocolate right here. Let me see. Okay, so it's in here. The chocolate is at the top of it. And we have this right here. Yeah, let it stay on. Bring this inside for mommy. Yeah, you still get to eat. Bring it inside. Yeah, keep it. Alright, you still get to eat. Alright? Yeah. And then have the drink right here. And we have the two bottles. And we have some yogurt, some raisins and nuts right here in both sections. We have some dough right here, some Pringles. Apple. And this is what it looks like. And we have the little flowers in it. So cute. And then we have a little teddy bear there with the rose. And we have, yeah. And then yours in the fridge. Yes, Jamal apple. Then we have the red and white. Yes, fucking red and white right there. So yeah, so now I said stop eating off the grape. Tika laughing. Come around this side. Come around. I know you're gonna eat off all the grapes. Come around this side. Come around. Come on. Yeah, so this is what it looks like guys. And tell me what you think down